Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add debit card to Google Play Store account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a debit card to a Google Play Store account, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. At the top right corner, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can find the payments and subscriptions option available for us over just below the notifications and offers. Tap on payments and subscriptions and you land on this kind of interface, whereas at the top of the screen you can see your payments methods available for us. At the top of the screen, tap on payment methods, and from over here, guys, you'll be able to add a credit or debit card where it says, guys, add credit or debit card. Tap on that button and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to enter the card number of your account. Like this, I'm just entering a demo number. So guys, after entering your card number over here, tap on the save button at the bottom of the screen. The save button will be available for you. It's currently disabled because this is just a demo number of a card which I had inputted. And after tapping on save, at the next step you'll be required to go some verification process of the card, like your expiry date and your CCV, which is at the back side of your card. Verify those information on the card and input every information which is required by the Google Play Store. And with that being done, guys, your debit card will be added to your Google Play Store. And there, guys, this is how to add debit card to Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions and if you have questions or comments regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.